official commissioning of the permanent site of the National Institute for Legislative and Democratic Studies. Honourable members are invited to the official commissioning of the permanent site of the National Institute for Legislative and Democratic Studies, scheduled as follows. Thursday, 25th May, which is tomorrow, 2:30 p.m. So Chairman, Business and Rules, let's make the order paper light for tomorrow, because we have this, it's very important. The permanent site of NILS is at 2:30, so it'll be good that we close at 2. It's at plot 307 Cadastral Zone. It's on the airport road in Abuja. Yes, sir.
Mr. Speaker, respected colleagues, as we are winding up, we have lost quite a number of period of time. For a commission of a project for Wase, why do we have to shelve a lot of activity that we have just to go and witness commissioning of a project of NILS? I want to beg, sir, that we should do our functions. Those who have the interest to go to NILS, they have the right to go there. But our main primary and function in this parliament is to make law, and our citizens should be more priority to us, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay. Perhaps DS.
I was part of those that went for this.
It was set up.
So I have every information and idea as what this
by this same institution, the House, to go to NILS. What I said was, let's try and make it light and leave here by 2. If you want, we can resume at 10. We will do our work, but we will adjourn this House at 2 o'clock. I will witness NILS because it is important to me. So, as I was saying, the second announcement.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
Yes, yes.
Thank you. Sir, the parliament is about us, not about I. Thank you very much.
The demise of Honorable Aisha Duku's mother, who died on the 15th of May, 2023. She was 89 years, and she died after a brief illness and left behind several children and grandchildren. Mr. Deputy Speaker, this is the first time in history I've been in this House for many years, perhaps even longer than anybody here. This is the first time in history that a Deputy Speaker will be challenging what the Speaker is saying. Let us rise for Aisha Duku.
I don't understand what you mean by challenging.
Let's rise for 1 minute, please.
That I should not make my contribution?
May her soul rest in peace. Guys, have it. Leader, please move for adjournment. Very light. We are adjourning this House at 2 o'clock tomorrow. Go ahead. Go ahead.
As emphasized by Mr. Speaker, and I also want to put my weight that Chairman, Business and Rule, that you must make our order paper light so that we can be able to attend the said occasion in the interest of the institution. I so respectfully move.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I still remain Honorable Dr. Samuel Babatunde Adejare. I represent the wonderful good people. I stand to second the motion as moved by the leader. I so second.
Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say nay. Ayes have it. House adjourned till tomorrow.